What's going on, YouTube? Back with another install. Injen short ramp intake, but I'm gonna convert it to a cold air. Go ahead and install this one and get right to the video. You can guys see it is nighttime. I gotta do this at night, unfortunately. So go ahead and get my stuff. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do the positive also. What you wanna do is take off the MAF, stands for mass airflow sensor. Alright, next thing, that little TV clamp right there. Just gonna loosen that one. Just enough just to pop off. Alright, we're gonna take off these cam case line. So when you pull this off, just move to the side. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the clips and everything else. So after that, go ahead and take this off. Just a little clip here. It goes right here. Just put you can put like a flathead to this, and then take these clips off, and then pry up, and then remove all this. After that, take off that 10 millimeter, and that one right there. That's disgusting. Yo, look at this. That is bad. Alright, so after those two 10 millimeters, you gotta get this 10 millimeter right here. So after you got that loose, that one loose, take out, if you want to, you could take that, it's like this plastic part for just to hold whatever clips. This, you just pop up, and this comes out. Alright, so you guys can call me retarded, whatever. So for right now, since I don't have it running down, I gotta take that out to run it a cold air, right? Like I was saying earlier. But I still want some kind of airflow while that's still there. While that's still there, I still kind of want some kind of airflow hitting the filter. So I figure, at least if I put a hole, I'll try to get it big enough. But I mean, hey, there's still some kind of air flowing through and hitting that guy, and it's still blocking the engine while like there's still heat. So sometimes you gotta be a little creative. Alright, so I made my hole. Obviously I cut it. So, and then after that, just take one of those bolts that you took out of here from the previous, and leave one, put it on there, and then use their bolt. Alright, next you're gonna want to place this onto here. Take the screw off, and then place that on there. And make sure this is tight. It looks good enough. Now let's take off the mass airflow, the old one and the new one. Alright, once you got that one, let's go ahead and place this inside. So it's gonna sit there. It's gonna be on there. Of course, before you put the tube on, make sure you put the rubber seal on first. The rubber seal on first, on here on the tube, then put it in. Make sure it's nice and firm. Go ahead and tighten this up. Oh, I missed a step. This one is for that side, outer. This one's for the inner. So when it's tight, that's what it should look like. One there, and the other one there. Those are 8 millimeters, but you can also use a 5/16. Once you tighten up those 8 millimeters or 5/16 drives, you can go ahead and place these on top. Put this one as well. And it comes with this little tube. This right here is gonna go on top. This. And then this is gonna sit on top of that. So once that's done, put this back on. I don't know why I took this off anyway, but put this clamp back on here. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up. Also, go ahead and put sensor back on. And once tighten all that up, really, that's really it. Alright, so that's what it looks like. I'm gonna come back in the morning. I'll show you guys in the daytime. Alright guys, morning time. So here's what the end result look like. Everything clamped on, everything is bolted right. Eventually, I'm gonna take that heat shield out. I might create something kind of, you know, to keep it still on the side, and then I'm just run my pipes all the way down. So more air the better. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and let you guys hear the sound. Alright, I will say this. I do have a very loud, obnoxious drone sound. Since when I did my pipes, I should have put well, basically, since I deleted everything, I'm probably gonna go back and put my resonator. I put some resonators on because this thing sounds annoying. Like, I'm gonna give you an example. It sounds great, but it sounds annoying at the same time. Only thing is, for me, what I didn't like, so the old factory, these lines, this line, the actual, I always get it wrong. During the deletion, when I was deleting the old one out, the line for the cam case going down, it fits firmly in the old one. The old one, it literally like fits inside. What I don't like about this one, kind of the tubing is kind of in between it. So yeah, I mean it's still, you know, good, but it's just like it's up here a little bit, and this is like right here. So it's kind of like a little like maybe like an 8-inch gap. But I mean the result is kind of good, but I can only tell when I'm like driving to see how it really, you know, moves. You guys don't understand, like, it's about dirty, but yo, I gotta get rid of that freaking drone sound. That shit is, I'm telling you, when I mean annoying, even at low RPMs, like, not even like 2 RPMs, like literally like 1.5. They hit that, like, I can't take it no more. So I'm gonna get I'm gonna just put the resonator on and see if, and I know it's gonna quiet out some. But with that resonator, would do, it will kind of like, it still runs like a straight pipe, but it reduces just enough sound, like airway sound, so it will kind of tone it out. Here you go, a little test. Pull a little bit different, but it's not much. I can feel a little bit of resistance, but it's not much though. All right, guys. See you guys in the next installment.